Hey everybody, it's Michael from ColDesi here, and today I wanted to show you how to decorate our hardboard sublimation signs from Unisub using the Sawgrass sublimation printer. Let's get started. So first things first, we're going to use our sublimation Sawgrass printer with the text print paper in order to print out our designs. So before we begin, I just wanted to go over some of the products we have here in today's process. So obviously, the star of the show is going to be the Unisub Sublimation Hardboard sign here that we're going to be putting the design on. And then we've printed our sublimation design on text print sublimation paper. This is a 13 by 19 sheet. And then we have some standard finishing sheets here, as well as some heat resistant gloves for safety. And before sublimation begins, we are going to be cleaning off our sublimation boards here with some standard cleaning solution. Okay, so now that we've printed out our design, the first thing we need to do with our sublimation hardboard is peel off the protective film. Now we're just going to go ahead and clean the hardboard. So as I mentioned before, this is just some standard cleaning solution. So now that we've gone ahead and cleaned off our hardboard sign, we can start pressing. The first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to pre-press this hardboard sign. So we're going to start off with a finishing sheet on the bottom platen, and we're going to put our sign there. And then we're going to throw another finishing sheet on top of that. And we're just going to go ahead and pre-press this for 20 seconds at 400 degrees. Okay, so now that the pre-press is finished, we're just going to take the hardboard sign off. And we're just going to set it down and we're going to let it cool. Now that our sign's cooled, the next step is going to be putting the design on there. So we're going to take our hardboard sign and we're going to place it upside down. A good thing to note is that we have the sublimation template here that has a nice little centering strip here, which makes it really easy to line up your design. And from here, we're going to take some heat tape and we're just going to secure our hardboard sign to the paper. And now it's ready to head back onto the press. So the way we're going to do this is just like before with the pre-press, we are going to take our finishing sheet, and we're going to put that on the bottom platen. And then we're going to take our design and we are going to flip it upside down onto the finishing sheet. And then we're going to put another finishing sheet on top of there. We're going to press for a minute and a half at 400 degrees. So now that our press is done, this is still really hot. I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool. Alrighty, so now that we've let it cool for a couple minutes, we're gonna go ahead and take the design off. So we're gonna remove that top finishing sheet. And there you have it. So now we have our completed design. There you have it, folks. Today we decorated a Unisub sublimation hardboard sign. If you feel that you want to branch out into other areas using your Sawgrass sublimation printer, feel free to check out ColemanandCompany.com, where we have all sorts of unique blanks like this, as well as other neat products. Thank you for watching.